Ka jingyo I jengai ban kentiwi ke India house nem 8,000 sa punyo kala long ko biang na kabenta ki Samla jongkari kabalong hapedeng ki Samla Pule haringkat ki kerdan ki jongki na kabenta ban ai jengkersan Halor ka thong jong menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi lingba ka jing pelat ya ka Viksit Bharat at 2047 Voice of Youth.
Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi hakala sni ublai ula pelat ya ka Viksit Bharat at 2447 Voice of Youth bat ula penbena hakmat ki Vice Chancellor bat ki kli jongki jaka Pule kentup ya ki Samla Pule jongkari hi barok kawai ban yo ya ka jing snow thu na barok ki brio na kalyang ka DD News Meghalaya kala yo ban yakren bat ki kattu ka ne ki nong hikai bat ki Samla Pule ki bala Pynpaw Halor ka ne ka benta bat ki wei ki mat ki ba ki la Pynpaw.
This Viksit Bharat in 2023, it is mainly aims about developed India and is inspiring many youths to become like a social tool for us in the in the social global world, which is in like the digitized India and.
Hakawai pat kalyang ka kubo jong menteri rang badu ban pelong ya ke India ban kiu ladu tenrai ki jing pentrai kam ya ki skim jong ka sarkar pat ka jing ya trai lang ha baro ki liang ki balong ki katto ka ni jong ki babun ki balong ki badan kam ban jam saprang ha ki katto ka ni ki nong song snong ki bana West KHASI.
Developed India would be a country, or Viksit Bharat would be a country where everybody is treated equally. And I would put more focus on environment, because I see when it comes to the environment, there's a lot of degradation that's happening. I hope that Viksit Bharat really takes care of this beautiful environment and the beautiful biodiversity that India as a subcontinent has been blessed with.
Kajing temu ban kentiu ya kadi nadu u arajar sawunyo kilong kathong menteri rang badu. Kajing temu ban kentiu ya kari nadu usnam arajar sawunyo kilong kathong menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi bat menta unsayoi hadu katnu baki nong song snong ki yale ban jam sa kathong. Bureau report DD News Meghalaya.